Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the NNFX baseline tool. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the NNFX baseline tool. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 44 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 500 indicators, with 207 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the NNFX baseline tool. So that is the no-nonsense Forex baseline tool. We've tested this one quite a few times before. So basically what it does is it allows you to plug in different indicators, mostly moving averages or oscillating lines, and it plots them on screen and gives these really nice red and green arrows for buy and sell signals. So this particular one, we are going to do the VAMA indicator. And so a volume adjusted moving average is what the line here is going to be, the moving average here. And so like I said, when we get a red arrow, we are going to go short. When we get a green arrow, we are going to go long. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we picked up our first signal over here, was a long signal. Pretty much immediately on the next candle, we get a short signal, so that one stops out for a loss there. But then we pick up that long. It makes a little bit of a pullback. Price action makes a little bit of a pullback there, but is able to kind of recover and continue to push to the downside. So that signal there gets us to take profit. Then over here on this side, we pick up a long signal and we get just a little bit of consolidation, and then price takes a nice little jump to the upside, and so that one also gets us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up the short right here. And you can see price action takes a nice little drop to the downside. That one definitely gets us to take profit there. And then we pick up this long right here. Now this is actually an orange arrow. And so basically what that means is that it is a long signal because it is pointing up. But the orange arrow indicates that this is a large ranged candle. And so basically the no nonsense system works with using the ATR, and so this candle would be above the ATR, and so in this particular case the no nonsense traders would ignore this one, but we are not going by those rules, and so we would have taken that trade right there, and as you see it would have gotten us to take profit pretty nicely there. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing so that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis where they put up screenshots of charts where they marked out areas of support and resistance, and where they show exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits. The whole deal, they are growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. We've recently had that transferred over into an Excel sheet, and so you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos and strategies. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and they've created a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons for free. They're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have all that worked out, they will be offering those to the patrons also. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. There to there and there. All right, let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 39 trades altogether, 39 signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 winners. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Same deal as usual. For those of you who have been part of the channel for any period of time, note that typically a moving average or a single line oscillator that interacts with price action has the same issue, where when consolidation starts to happen, then it really just eats up the winning trades with losing trades as you get whipsawed in and out of trades one after another. This one is exactly the same way. And so this is why we try to use something like a channel. And so interesting enough, I believe that we did a volume adjusted moving average bands indicator, which created a zone of 2 bands, an upper band and a lower band. And I'm pretty sure that that one made it to the 60% criteria. I'm almost positive it did. And so that just showed how much better it is to use kind of a channel to help filter out some of that choppiness. But all right, so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.